Hey guys, it's Kim, and in this week's video I'm going to do a little mini Christmas series that I do every year. So every week now up till Christmas you will get a Christmas themed video. I'm going to show you guys how to make this DIY Christmas sweater. It's super simple and easy to make and super inexpensive. Like, I got the hoodie from Walmart. It was a men's hoodie for like $8. Everything else I bought was at the dollar store. So this here is the hoodie I did. So it just has some snowflakes and a snowman on it. And I did that snowman there myself. So if you guys want to figure out how to make this DIY ugly Christmas sweater, then please stay tuned. So what you need is a sweater. I got mine from Walmart, just a solid color sweater would do. Some felt. I just got this snowflake garland, so anything that you want to put on the sweater. Some scissors. Fabric scissors work the best for cutting felt. A glue gun or tape, depending on how you want to stick this stuff onto your sweater. So what I did first was take this garland that I got from the dollar store, take the scissors and kind of cut the snowflakes off. I knew I wanted to use the white snowflakes, so I cut the blue ones, but you could easily just glue them back into place from where I glued them. After that, I took the felt that I had and made a snowman out of the fabric I had, and then used a felt tip paint pen and drew on his nose. Next, what I did was try to figure out where I wanted to place the snowman. Kind of figured out where I wanted to put the snowman on the sweater. I figured I wanted to put it like in the middle and towards the bottom. So I figured the placement that I wanted, stuck some hot glue on it, and stuck it into place. Next, all I did was take those snowflakes. Again, all I used was the white ones, but you could definitely use the white or the blue. And I just placed the snowflakes around where I wanted them to go on the sweater. And then once I was happy with the placement, I took the hot glue gun and placed them in where I wanted them. I hope you guys give this video a go. If you do, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you do an ugly Christmas sweater or a Christmas sweater, leave a comment down below and tell me what you guys did. I love to see your creations. So yeah, thanks. Bye.